Welcome to this beginner's 10-minute prenatal yoga class designed to help both you and your baby feel your best. Let's begin with a few breaths in child's pose, sitting back towards the heels with the knees quite wide apart, walking the upper body forward to rest the forehead down. And then lifting yourself up to an all fours position. Knees and feet about hips width apart. Take a circle or two with one wrist in each direction. And then switch to the other side. Now planting both hands, drop your chin towards your chest and take a neck circle going one way and back the other way. Returning the neck to neutral, take a few gentle cat-cows, inhaling to arch through the spine and exhaling to round. Hug your baby in towards your spine to avoid overarching through the lower back. Appreciating this sense of movement that you're taking together. Now walk yourself up to a tall kneel with the hands on the hips. Squeeze the glutes slightly as you then reach your arms forwards and lean the body back, stretching into the hip flexors. And return to the front, lowering your arms. Let's try that again. Arms go forward as the body goes back. Tailbone stays tucked. And release. Roll your shoulders back. Replant your fingertips to the mat and step the right foot forwards to the outside of your hands. Take a few movements from side to side here, enjoying the release this brings to your hips. With your right hand now on your right knee, take a gentle twist towards the right, allowing the hips to soften towards the mat. And then bring yourself back to an all fours, wagging the hips from side to side, finding a diagonal movement as the hips go one way and the shoulders go in the opposite direction. Step the left foot forward now to find your lunge, staying on fingertips as you sway. Left hand on left knee for your gentle twist. Return both hands to the mat, return to all fours, and again find those diagonal sways, shoulders and hips moving in opposite directions. Now tuck through the toes of both feet, sitting back towards your heels to lift the knees up, finding a standing forward fold towards the back of your mat. Catching hold of opposite elbows to rock left and right with a generous bend in your knees. Release the elbows and slowly roll yourself up all the way to standing, rolling the shoulders back a few times once you've arrived. Catch hold of your right wrist with your left hand as you step the right foot behind you. Enjoy a side body stretch. Release. Right hand holds the left wrist now. Left foot steps behind for a side body stretch. And release. Stepping towards the center of your mat with the toes pointing outwards, bring your hands to your hips and bring them around in a big circle. Let this movement be intuitive. Think of it as a dancing movement your baby can enjoy as you switch directions. Now bend down into both knees and then straighten back up a few times. You may like to bring your hands to your belly for this movement before bringing the hands onto the thighs and dipping one shoulder down towards the mat and then the other shoulder. Return to center, straighten the legs. And to come back towards the mat, bring your chin towards your chest, allow yourself to roll down, eventually lowering one knee at a time and sitting yourself off towards the right of your legs. Both knees are bent. Bring your left hand to your left ankle and reach your right arm overhead for another side body stretch. Now bring your right hand towards your left knee and round through the upper spine, chin to chest. As you release, keep the right leg as it is. Simply extend your left leg towards a diagonal and fold yourself over that extended leg. Feeling sensation in the posterior chain down the back side of that leg. Slowly walk yourself back up. Swing both legs over towards the right, finding that zigzag with both knees pointing forwards. Left arm goes up and over for a side body stretch. Breathing into this stretch along with your baby. Bring the left hand to the right leg, chin to chest, rounding the upper spine. And then let's extend that right leg to half butterfly, folding yourself over that leg. Release your stretch. Return yourself first to all fours, and then walk the hands forwards for puppy pose, forehead releasing in the direction of the mat. Let yourself be heavy, and continue to imagine your baby surrounded by oxygen, love, releasing that puppy pose, sitting back towards your heels to widen the knees once more. Returning to child's pose, this time crossing the forearms to rest your forehead on top of your hands. Notice how you feel here as you breathe. Releasing your child's pose to straighten back up. Finding a straight spine once again. Bring the hands to the belly. Thanking your baby for joining you on the mat today. And I thank you both for joining me and mine. I wish you a beautiful day and hope to see you again on the mat very soon.